Thanks, Chris. Calabar alum Dr. John Paul Clarke, son of longtime track and field official, the late Canon Jervis Clarke, will deliver this year's Howard Aris Memorial Lecture, organized by the Gibson McCook Relays Committee. Dr. Clarke, an aerospace engineering and engineering mechanics professor at the University of Texas in Austin, will speak on track and field officiating, sharing his interest in improving the efficiency of complex systems with the use of scholastic models and optimization algorithms. The World Athletics referee and the NACAC Athletics Technology Commission chairman is set to arrive in Jamaica next Wednesday, ahead of the February 26th lecture scheduled to take place at the Michael University College under the theme Current and Future Roles for AI and Advanced Technologies in Athletics. Importee